Welcome to K-Math Lab. In this lesson, we are going to make an introduction to permutations and combinations. But in this specific video, I'm going to give an introduction to permutations. What is a permutation? A permutation, when you hear the word permutation, it means arranging objects in a specific order. That is permutation. An example is here. We can ask that find the number of permutations for the letters and in part A we can say the letters love. What is the number of permutations for these letters? So in permutation, in arranging objects in a specific order, what we are looking at is how many ways can the word love be written. How many ways can the word love be written? Here is a simple way to do this. We count the letters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what we do after counting those letters, we start from the last one and we say it's going to be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this is going to give us the number of ways the word love is going to be written. So we'll take a 4 times 3, which is 12, 12 times 2, which is 24, 24 times 1, that is 24. That means that there are 24 ways how this word love can be written. Let's look at the next one. How many ways can the word grace be written? How many ways can the word grace be written in different ways? So we do the same thing. We are looking at the word grace. So we count the letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we start multiplying these numbers. We multiply 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. The numbers on top are the ones we are dealing with here. So we take 5 times 4, that is 20. 20 times 3, that is 60. 60 times 2, that is 120. 120 times 1, that's 120. Which means that the word grace can be written 120 ways. So this is how permutations are done, and this is the introduction on permutations. Thank you. You can subscribe and like so that you can get more lessons concerning permutations and combinations.